Ani mongka Rimi DEBBARMA ang hangga ani para hangkai obicoran hangkai ang o itfayo paramedical pori tongo CCT course hangkai ani hobbies hangkai sketching khainani hangkai tai rignai botaknan
ani rchau mong chajangma hangke Hindi gan abo hangke teri hawale himan
Ani agi ne last schooling khaika Don Bosco School Agartala
kadariya behi kaya ishq ibadat ban hi gaya Hello sir, hello ma'am. Ani Monkhe Priyanka Tiprasa and I'm from Belonia. And any hobbies ke sports, dance, acting, and
nang tau sa kanini hobbies tam sing kamo?
Sports, dance, acting.
You don't say?
Dance,
no.
acting,
Okay.
and some sports, football.
Football, you love football?
Yes.
Favorite football player? Huh? Who is your favorite football player?
Messi.
Wow.
Can you tell me 5 things you love most about him? 5 qualities about him that you love most.
Messi.
Yes.
First, Messi, a very kind person, and I'm being confident as well, and bobini family no care khaite tai bo football o bobini career bo sunam tongo football ni loge bobini family no bo nai tongo abo onke ani favorite thing about Messi.
You have said 3 things. He's kind, he has confidence, and he loves his family as well as his profession. So what are the 2 other qualities you love about him?
He's really handsome.
Okay, 4 points done. One more point.
And very strong.
Strong. Okay. Strong. Thank you so much.
Wait. Acting. Nangki acting reels on the guy na Instagram on the
Sir, acting means ang real logo je audio ro phaigan ke abo ang onek acting khainani chajago even ang nogo bo birat drama create khayo. That's why ang acting khainani hamjago plus dance and sports.
Nangko no football thal thangka.
Ha?
Football thal thangka.
Football e thangka age school o tongmani ang captain tongka school o age.
Very good.
Hello Priyanka.
Hello sir.
Bahai to.
Good.
So, esnung to saga ng acting, dancing saga ko. So, sagno kisa few steps nung damano dance.
Dance, sure.
Hambay belaki. Priyanka.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here, respected judges and all my dear mates. Myself, DEBBARMA, and I am from Law Department. I completed my 10+2 from Holy Cross School, Durjanagar, Agartala, and I am pursuing BA LLB in first year in Icfai University.
Okay, so you are from?
BA LLB.
Okay. In your village?
Village Dubchara.
So what's your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
Actually, I don't have hobbies, but I love to ride bikes.
You love to ride bikes. So you go to college, right? So when you come back home, when you sit at home and doing nothing, what do you normally do?
Actually, I'm just thua chow. Kita kisah mobile naik kayo.
So your hobby is being active in social media and sleeping, and that's a
Yes.
good hobby. I would love to do that too. Okay, so I have one question to you. What is your perspective about social media? Is it good or bad?
Jim jadi social media na as a good way on ikan kain neng onek isu good mana kaham jati on express kai mana, and if neng hanya money express kai ba ama hanya money uthang neng.
Okay, so tell me one thing, how social media can bring bad impact to the students?
If hanya wo naina like hang kai jeng mana sarthang masa borak, if neng suppose neng ex mana kuno hanya kok hari kan kamu abusive thang payo, enggak jaga controversial ini thang. So for that reason, I'm a child.
I like your answer. Thank you so much.
Wait, Mr. Shora. Neng law na, so tam bagi law department choose kaga kita cycle.
Ang law choose kaga because mane as a good lawyer na mo chungo, just for not only for माने बोरो ना मगर just जो तो बोरो ने बागे ना
हिंदी से बताओ
हाँ
कोकबोरक से फ्लोइंग इन तो हिंदी में चली
नहीं दार कोकबोरक ने आंग्लो यार ना मुझे कैसा को चुपा ना बागे जो तो बोरो ना needy people ने बागे, and if बोरो justice ने बागे कहम नहीं खाना बागे कैसा lawyer ना मुझे
हम भी एक लॉयर हैं, पता है क्या आपको? आप वो लॉयर नो, है पर नो लॉयर नंग कांके, तामु खाइन नंग आंग जिस है मोते, सुन तो बुइनो जस्टिस मन नबागे से लॉयर फाइट करे, so नंग जेपुर लॉयर थांगन, आपुरो फीस कम ना दी, तेज़ो तो नो काम को जस्टिस हम बाई Next.
Thank you.
Mr. Saurabh also. Please.
Good afternoon, everyone, respected judges and seniors and all my classmates. Myself, I'm Kumali DEBBARMA. Currently, I'm pursuing BA English from Icfai University, and my hobbies are singing and dancing. Thank you.
Hello. So you said you love singing, so definitely I also sing, so definitely that clicked me. I'm definitely going to ask you about singing. So who is your favorite singer?
Ani ricau mong jajang ma angke Hindi gan abo angke teri hawale himan.
I said singer, not the song. Any singer, sabo favorite singer?
Jubin
Jubin Nautiyal or Jubin Gar?
Jubin Nautiyal.
So what is one of your favorite song which he sang or he sang?
Ang bini ricau mong kanao hai pano abo lyrics muito kaisakia. Sorry, bye.
Okay, I will tell you one common song I definitely know nung akan sa mong manay. तुझे कितना चाहने लगे हम अमर साथ दमानो just 2 lines दिल का दरिया बह ही गया
Hello. दिल का दरिया बह ही गया इश्क इबादत बन ही गया खुद को मुझे तू सौंप दे तेरी ज़रूरत में बन गया बात दिल की नजरों की दिल है टूटा टूट कितना जाने लगे हम तुझे कितना जाने लगे हम तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म तुझे कितना जाने लगे हम बाय
Boy, please.
A very pleasant good afternoon to judges, seniors and all my dear friends. I am DEBBARMA. I'm currently pursuing BA English Honours. My hobbies are dancing and singing. I did my high schooling from St. Andre English Medium School.
Ni mong tam sing mo?
DEBBARMA.
Muktang ni meaning tam usay mo.
According to me, Muktang is what comes in reality. That's what it is.
What comes in reality is muktang. I don't think so. Okay. What's your hobby?
My hobby is dancing.
Dancing. Which one? K-pop.
Yes, I like K-pop also.
Please play a K-pop song. You will dance.
super shy
Relax, huh? No need to be nervous. Relax. Just two or three steps. Do it. Amaya po. Pause kaya pause kaya. Bin hamzang mong gan maridi. Sadin nang mo.
I'll perform that song.
Sadin sa mong ni mong sadin bang mo.
Yes, sir.
A part of dance, namulo future ko tamong namusun. Tamok lang namusun future.
In future, as I'm pursuing the English Honours, I would obviously like to be a professor.
Professor, nga bagay tambang kanang.
First, I will complete my MA. After that, I will try for PhD.
Thank you. Next, please. Narok gangan sida thang sida. You can proceed to the seat. Next, please. Ladies first.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm myself, Ritika Jamatia. I'm currently pursuing BA English in Icfai University, and I passed out from Holy Cross AGARTALA.
So, Ritika Jamatia, what's your hobbies?
I don't have hobbies usually.
Oh my God. What do you love to do most?
I love to have my life busy. Like I go gym.
That's your hobby. Okay. So, say something about your Icfai University.
Till date, I like only the free periods. Like I usually get free periods most of the time.
So, do you like if you get free periods or you want to be busy in your class?
Free periods because the college gives us free periods, and in free periods I do works with my friends. Like I don't usually
Kokborok Song kono ya.
Mana ang tong ya to?
Tam khai reels ta khai tong.
Huh?
Reels ta khai tong apro.
Reels kaya
Oh. Tam khai apro.
han kok so.
Okay, so Ritika, as nung saka that nang gym kayo. So like nini like future or like tamo na hori nang gym kayo. Mane kuno like competition of tharani na ke haino sajai kayo.
Yes, I will try next year. Like next time, this November I was going to try, but no, I'm going to try next time.
All the very best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone, and to all my judges. as well as my senior and to organizer teams. Thank you. My name is Icfai Tiprasa. I'm from South District, and I'm studying in Icfai, pursuing with BA English. My hobbies is singing gospel song.
Please repeat your name.
My name is Icfai Tiprasa.
What department of?
English.
English then English.
English. ENGLIS.
English English itu last to. ঠিক আছে নিনি hobbies song bagi sati bisa. Tam hobbies song.
Singing gospel song.
Te amu sara kon kure?
Dancing.
Te nang kono sports rok thade thon football, cricket, volleyball, badminton.
Sometimes thongta.
Ludo rok thon.
Sometimes.
Baba, ma'am, please.
Okay, you said nung to saoni ni tamo hobby singing and singing gospel song.
Yeah.
So nung bo gospel song na ham jap cook about jap cook.
Nelson Borok ni omo hasin altang bo.
Bo jap mo?
Nelson Borok nai.
Nelson Borok ni bo jap mo.
Tong thong mani.
Okay, this is the kanari mana asa kolok hai to hai na just the chorus.
Just means which I like my part I will sing.
Do kokre.
Khabera sugai mano nini yasibu sugo nini kok khaisa baino ketui kok sao tong thong mani tong thong mani.
Like a humble. And you know one thing I like about you? I definitely like about you is that you don't care how you will sing or what people will care, and you just sing there and praising God. That's what I love about you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next.
I'm Icfai Tiprasa, and I have completed my graduation from Downtown University, and now I'm pursuing a special B.Ed course in Icfai University.
So, what's your hobbies?
I'm hobbying singing, the painting.
Kono painting kare kana?
Huh?
Painting lo kare ka?
Painting? Ini आगे खायो.
Tabu bukhayo.
Tabu वो खायो, canvas painting खायो.
अच्छा.
Acrylic.
Anta se mane painting lo sai me do mane o canvas painting acrylic amo mane tamo kyo suno sai buzi. To tonu buzi.
Canvas painting माने कैसा canvas board ता जे जगह वो माने acrylic color बे painting खायो. So oil painting tongo, acrylic tongo, water tongo. So आंखे acrylic painting खायो.
Apuni nang downtown no pori phega ki?
In graduation पाई क्या?
Guwahati.
Yes.
Apuni Okhomia jana ne?
हाँ?
Okhomia jana ne apuni?
অসমীয়া জানো ভালকে জানো
Apuni introduction to Okhomot dia Okhomot?
বুজি পোৱা নাই কি ক'লা
Apunar introduction to Okhoman Okhomot.
অসমতে ওকে বাট মই ক'বলৈ অকমান অসুবিধা লাগে বাট মই ট্ৰাই কৰোঁ
একো নাই কোৱা
মোৰ নামটো সুইটি দেৱবৰ্মা হয় আর মোর ঘরটো আগরতলা রাধানগর আর মই মোর ডিগ্রি কমপ্লিট করেছো আসাম ডাউনটাউনের পর তারপরে মোর হবি সিঙ্গিং আর পেইন্টিং
ঠিক আছে থ্যাংক ইউ নেক্সট
Respected judges, my dear mates, and all of you, my brothers and sisters, a very good afternoon to you all. My name is Janta Siriang. I am from Ambassa. I am pursuing my class 12 at Kumpui Academy, and I am currently studying at Integrated BSc B.Ed. My hobbies was playing football and volleyball. Thank you.
Ma'am, please.
Hello. Okay, you said your hobbies are?
Playing volleyball and football.
Okay, you were from Kumpui Academy, right?
Yes.
Kumpui.
Kumulung.
Okay, so tell me something about Kumulung.
Kumulung.
Why do you love Kumulung?
I like, first of all, the Kumulung Park, roaming and seeing flowers, beautiful flowers.
Your English like English maker, beautiful flower on the park. Hai pano kumulong ni bagi tamu saiman neng asa kumulong man tongi tor hai kagi.
No, only 2 years I'm staying there.
Okay, within these 2 years, what you most like in Kumulong? Only park.
Or then roaming at Dumali Bazaar.
Okay, tell about Kumulong a little bit to all.
Sorry sir, I can't understand sir.
You just elaborate about Kumulong, just a little bit to all.
About Komulung.
Yes, about Kumulong.
Many much I don't think about Komulung, but only the things I know is that
Park.
There
No.
is one important headquarter there.
many
There is one important headquarter for all the mostly the Tiprasas, I can say. In short, I'm just giving you the hint, I'm not telling you the exact thing. So what is that important headquarter of all the tribal people of the state?
It's nearby your school only. TTAADC,
yes.
Tripura Tribal Autonomous District Council. That's our capital. So that's the main thing. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Oh, wait.
Jayantasi, right?
Janta Sirian.
Okay, Jayantasi. So as you have said that you love football and volleyball. So tell me the famous 3 footballer names and the famous 3 volleyball who play volleyball. Their names.
First footballer there. First I love Sunil Chhetri, our Indian footballer, and Cristiano Ronaldo and Neymar.
Now from the volleyball side.
Yuji Nishida from Japan. Then from our Indian one is that Amit Sharma. Then from Russian I forgot his name.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you sir. Thank you sir.
Thắc mắc này, phải cả đến đấy. Next. Dần xin đó thăng sự để bài này đâu. Aro bớt sai tổng năng này. Ladies first, please, ma'am.
Good afternoon, our respected judges and my classmates and my seniors. Ani mung Barsha DEBBARMA, ang Kamalpur Dhalai ni, ang Dabo B.Ed Specialty Poritong Icfai.
Nini hobbies?
Ani hobbies cooking.
Okay, cooking bo cuisine aba bo dishes on basic cooking kind of hamsa bo.
Ang Tripuri Cham cooking like
Ang chak hamsa ko do muya chak hai.
eh
So please tell me the recipe of muya chak hai.
muya chak hui song nai ke sekang with muya with pork or muya with
Pun bubuk.
pun bubuk no sekang boil khai nai hengke boil khai ma pore wo abo kutung ma pore wo muya renai er pore moso paste khai renai hengke som renai hengke er pore hengke abo boil ma pore chak hui renai last to mun ma awan renai তারপরে হ্যাঁ জামে বলাই ফানো যে সাপানো মতো মানে মানে রে ওইতে খাই না
Angla sunga lagi apa yang ini? Orang cakap saya kami akan saya.
Sakyo suti dong itu nang gitu bang.
না স্যার দিয়া
Ang bayam nih song, ang mau song nih ang ngomong mui song so. Saya miat aja pun, different tong. Te amo sara cooking sara.
কুকিং ন হামজাগো
Tamo?
আং কুকিং ন খাই না হামজাগো
Asum no.
এই
Kedi kena tang na rodo tuh.
হ্যাঁ
Kedi kena tang na rodo.
আং রং ইয়াসা
Jadi pano sering narodi. Joto cini Tiprasa gurung ni thanian thani kaisa request tong nai. Cini kamung cumung no norok sidu nar yang kai. Tabu je cini okra sagar tong mani. Abon pore borok je buru kering thangan na norok te odig nai rok te kani mangla. Abon no norok joto no gurung sering nar.
Okay, Barsa. As nung to saw ng cooking hamsa ko. So, bate mano English baita mo. Bate ma side bata.
এই
Bate ma.
এই সাইমন
Abo no English baita mo.
আর সাইমন ইয়াসা
Okay, thank you.
সরি
Next.
Respected judges, seniors, and you all, my dear friends, a very good afternoon to you all. My name is James Roland Molsom. I'm from a small village called Raipasa, somewhere in Ambassa. I did my higher secondary in Montfort Higher Secondary School, Champaknagar, and I'm currently pursuing BSc B.Ed Special Education in Icfai University. My hobby is traveling and meeting new people.
Okay, where have you traveled so far?
I have traveled only the Tripura yet.
You said you're Molsom.
Yes.
Right. Okay, what is one of the biggest festival? I think as per my knowledge, Antarbuttar is one of the festival of Molsom community. So can you please, I'm sure most of our friends here doesn't know about Antarbuttar. And I'm a little bit aware of it. So may I know, can you please elaborate to them about Antarbuttar festival?
Antarbuttar is a big festival of our tribe at state level. There we have our traditional song, traditional food, and then some suggestions from the head, and then they motivate us, they motivate the youth, and then many.
Okay, what is the meaning of Antar?
Antar means new food.
And Buttar is also new crops like this, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
It's like Hangrai, same type, na? Yeah. So, do you like to play football, cricket, anything?
Yeah, I like to play volleyball.
Volleyball. So, did you play?
I am a boarding guy from Montfort, so we do play in our hostels.
Okay. Now in Icfai?
Now in Icfai, so I didn't play yet.
So, as you play volleyball, whom do you follow as an inspiration, as your inspiration?
I didn't follow anyone, but from there is one guy who is a teacher in our school. There is Sir Debroto. He's the best from our school. He's coach.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Next, please.
Kulum kha jotono chini judges tai ani seniors rock tai ani mates rock ani bumung Priya Debbarma and ang tabuk BSc psychology wo pursue khaitongo ingke ang ani agini last schooling khaika Don Bosco School Agartala.
Hobbies?
Hobbies ani basically hobbies rock kuri, but sometimes ani free times pro ang angko omo books rock read khaijago.
Nang boma hai books read kai?
Like ani rota book psychology ni ba ang obviously psychology ni tui rogo read khayuta.
Psychology ni bisingo tamo jotni kaham mane amo jono bisa psychology.
Buino help kanani je depression anxiety rock laisa grongno tai je tension ingnai rongno boromi bagai kisa overcome kharina bagaita.
Psychology ni meaning tamo Kokborok.
Kokborok bai. Psychology ni meaning to Kokborok bai to ni je minor read khaimani tai.
Minor read khaimani namun ta sai kini sinta kobla ha. Bukhano read mane bukhano porimani san mangai.
Experiences rongno nani ni bagita.
Hambai.
Ani bumung kha javelin jamatia. And telia mor parani. I'm schooling wrong ke pai ka mo Don Bosco School Agartala ni. Ingke ang ta BA English khaitong Icfai University.
Any hobbies?
Ani hobbies wrong ka bike kanani ingke video games thanani.
Video games na PlayStation na mobile lo.
Bose liya kisa.
Mane nang games mo ni nung the video games in so. Video games to agi se refuse thangu. Botala ma na puro agi. Tak to video games paina ma liya. To nang mobile lo dathang na ki video game dathang.
Mobile tho.
Oh, gam game sing na video game tong la. Am sarate tam tong hobbies.
Tekun hobbies kari.
Kumpun kere nang sports lo pun thinga out pro.
Sports ro thuge.
Nang game so tam biji thang PUBG den na teka sa tam sing kamo mini militia den kamo.
Ang mobile legend by PUBG ba chu thu.
Tabuk busuk level lo soi kan rank lo busuk.
As to soy ho kisa mane sergor ho.
Oh, tabuk sergi to ko. Acha.
Mythic rank da soka
meeting next round.
Okay, so nung to games hamsabu. So like games itu ini nahar mong kun datang like sports rok participate kaina ni sin Tiprasa ni name kusukari na ni kuno like nahar mong tu datang.
Nahar mong to kore ang just bono time pass timay ito.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Jotono report kaham, they judges Rokno Wahambai, the Mababi Taichini senior Rokno Tai my fellow mates for conducting this program. Ani Monka, Rimi DEBBARMA, Ang Ani Para Angkai, Obichoran, Angkai Ang Icfai Medical Poritongo, CCT course, Angkai Ani hobbies Angkai sketching Kainani, Gaitai Riganai Botaknan.
Hello. Okay, nang camat hitak na daro. Inke de camat hini abuthai ni mong rock. Isa sai dak nabi mano.
Buthai ni mong.
Bumuli mong rock ta. Tara camat hitak.
Kumpi tongo. Angkai tai kisa buthai ko. Napapalian ya buthai bo es hai kisa amti bo tongo. Tai kubang mo tongo ang tumalian tabu mo.
Okay, matai wasirik amakat masa. Matai wasirik. Hambai.
Next. Kolom kaza tono. An mo bahay DEBBARMA. Di English honors pori tongo. Ani hobbies ka like free time mo gana sana ni. Gaya ani ML life ka ang TPS police officer man.
Tosun kan Tribuna ni video nugi dah. Tosun kan tu sar ni video nugi dah TPS officer nai. Nak agi no wan suzak.
Agi no wan suzak, but bini nugi tebo inspiration o mano ta.
Police ni nengtam khai nai. Police sarvi manu bore nengtam khai nai.
Buzili.
Neng jepuru TPS officer nung thangan neng. Ang bore nengtam khai nai.
Om bore ang public orang help khai nai. Gai ang criminal orang help khai nai semua.
Neng ko kita bribe rokan nai ada ba?
Ha?
Goose ke saya tu neng.
Ang goose le saya. Gai ang criminal help khai nai ni mangga gai like boro hamil khai to mano. Ang bono kaham khai semua ta.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next.
Sarik kaham jotono ani mongka Arishma DEBBARMA ang BA English honors se pori to Icfai the ang high school complete khaika from Auxilium Girls School AGARTALA and ani hobbies ranga cooking they nok ni kam khaina ro jalo.
Okay, nang to auxilium school ni na. Aro to all girls school se. Inga tabo kungke to both chala butonga buri butonga. So what is the difference between all girls school and an institution je jaga buri butonga chala butonga? Aro ni tamo difference no khan.
Relax. Nervous na nahi. Aram se sadi.
Ini comfortability of Simon or anything. Kan kaisa kan Simon.
जे जगह ब्रिडोंग का आजा कर माने काहम माने साइलेंट ठीक नहीं तो माने आम सब कौन जानते जे जगह सिला ब्रे कॉम्बिनेशन है ना करते हैं
Not all school होंगे discipline कैसे तो होता है mix होंगे आसा discipline होता है. Okay, thank you so much.
Next.
Good morning, good afternoon to all. I'm Rwmani Tiprasa. I passed out from Holy Cross School, Kwtal, and I'm now currently pursuing my BLLB degree in Icfai University, Tripura.
Okay, your hobbies?
Playing video games, going on a trip with friends, and that's all.
Video games or games?
Video games.
Video games. Describe करो video game कैसा होता है?
Like PUBG, PUBG.
It's not video game. It's a mobile game.
video game. PUBG is emulator. There is emulator and there is PC PUBG and there is mobile PUBG. Both are different.
So where the video game?
Huh?
Where is the video game?
Video games. Some video games are there that, which we play in mobile phones.
What do you mean by video game?
Video games.
Video game mane tamo. Video games ni meaning tamo.
Which we play during our free times, just for relaxing and.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected judges, I'm Jerina Jamatia. I have completed my 10th standard in Holy Cross, Mahorpara, and 12th standard in Montfort Higher Secondary School. And I love sketching when I have anxiety or when I'm stressed out. I love dancing and watching animes and K-dramas because that's are so healing, that heals you.
Okay, I have a question.
Yes, miss.
This is the most, important, which we all ignore. At the same time, it's very, so to say, it's a very common thing to everyone. That is anxiety.
Yes.
So, what do you know about anxiety and how do you fight for it?
People's Kokborok Song. As any anxiety don't go. Borok, okay, like belai keno. Borok by borok. Like communication mo kay ang because borok ni saishong tong mani borok belai keno hamia wansung maro wansung zak tango and basically je like
It's okay, thank you so much. It's nice.
Good morning, sir. I'm Bomo Kam Jamatia. Give you one just pass out in the
Follow the yak lagi.
हाँ?
Follow the yak lagi. Seniors के साथ बात करने के टाइम ऐसे मत करना, ठीक है?
give you one just pass out the तब currently physical education का तो BPS course आणि hobby के PC games तो free time.
Amo सारा तम तो hobby.
हाँ?
Game सारा.
Game सारा वैसे lawn tennis रो तो table tennis रो.
Long tennis बहुत ज़्यादा था.
Lawn tennis के ONGC ground.
Oh, अच्छा. Coach देता हूँ ना क्या है ना तुमको?
हाँ?
नंकी ट्रेनिंग दिखाई तो?
आगे ट्रेनिंग है बने तब वो खाली है तब है ना तुमको
Na karsiri angani course ni bung sajaglia ang BSc chemistry khai tongo Icfai University wo.
So, ini mungtam sing kamu?
Am Jamatia.
Okay, so the table tennis thong na. So like neng koroksa table tennis so sini Tiprasa ni neng competition of terima musuh ya dah.
Ang agis thaman tawa wasat thanda ya ta. Kos.
Tangai?
Oh, pora dong ni bagai awal thanda ta. Kaiman lihat ta.
Kita sekarang go neng kaina musuh ya tiba.
Tawa bang currently athletics so tang dong.
Athletics. Bo jaga?
Ang tawa ko national thang pajak digli ya.
Okay, tamo athletics.
100 meter.
Okay, good.
Long tennis tonight.
Good afternoon, everyone, respected judges and seniors, and to all my dear mates. My name is Eliza DEBBARMA, and I'm pursuing my 12th standard from St. Xavier Higher Secondary School, Pathalia Ghat, Bisramganj. And now currently I'm pursuing my BLLB first year in Icfai University, Tripura. And my hobbies is that anchoring and reading the books. So that's all.
So, what kind of books do you usually read?
Usually I used to read English book that was wrote by the different authors like English and all that like now I am pursuing my BLLB, so often I used to study the most probably the law books. So that's all.
What is the Constitution of India?
We the people of India, like we have solemnly resolved to constitute into sovereign socialist republic and all that.
What Article 19 says?
Article 19 says that right to freedom, I suppose.
It's only one. There is 6 fundamental rights.
Yeah. So I will begin from 1st to 6th, or
Yes, you. What?
like Article 14 to
16. Sorry, 16, not 14. Article 16.
16. Sorry, sir, I couldn't remember it.
Thank you. Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. To my dear respected seniors and judges, myself Christopher Roga. I'm from Udaipur. Currently, I'm pursuing my BLLB course from Icfai Law School.
Christopher, what's your name?
Christopher Roga. R-O-G-A.
What's your tribe? Means
I'm belongs from Garo tribe.
Garu.
Yes.
My Chazok.
Chazok.
Okay, you're from Udaipur, right?
Yes, I'm from.
What is Udaipur famous for?
What?
What is Udaipur famous for? Like, if any important person or dignitaries come from the states out of the state, they come to that place, they visit anyhow, which is that one important tourist place.
Ang jusuk sio Udaipur kang from mati Tripura ni capital Pangkamu baca. Rangga mati himasi our Udaipur ni first name. Tak se Udaipur ang pai kata.
So you think they visit Udaipur because of that?
Yes.
Okay, there is one place, particular place.
Yes, Udaipur popular jaga tong jemon Tripura Udaipur ni kaisa Rajbari tong Kesam Rajbari. Te Matarbari main.
Thank you.
The temple of God. Yes.
Next, please.
And I'm studying BA English. I don't have any hobbies right now. I'm still figuring it out.
Okay, so have you started your classes?
Yeah, huh?
Have you started your classes?
Yes.
Okay, so you must have heard, if you are an English student, you should hear about or know about Shakespeare, right? Shakespeare,
Yes.
the writer, novelist, dramatist, poet. So, have you read any of his drama or novel or any work?
No.
You should if you are an English student. Okay, anyway, who is your favorite writer?
Favorite?
Writer. Or
Writer.
novelist or anything? Writer.
I can't think of any names right now.
Okay, thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Rwmani DEBBARMA, and I'm from BTech CSE department. And I'm Paranghai Kwai Shonkola. And my hobbies are like traveling and reading books.
Okay, so Brika, as you have said, you love reading books. Yeah. So, whose book you usually?
I usually used to read the financial book, Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Financial book. Yeah. So tell me the difference between liabilities and assets.
Assets means which you have, like property and all, and liability means it like what you get in every month basis. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Next.
Sharika Hamjatano, Ani Mungka Jaika DEBBARMA. I'm literally pursuing from BA English honors. So, Ani high school complete hiccup from Don Bosco School, AGARTALA. And my hobbies is I would like to draw sometimes.
Nini hobbies tam sa kamu? Nini hobbies tam sa kamu?
Drawing.
Drawing kayo. So nagtam-tam mo drawing kayo?
Some animes.
Japanese?
Animes.
Animes Japanese ni cartoon mo kamu ya teman. Thank you. Fadil next.
Good afternoon to the respected judges and dear seniors and my classmates. My name is Sahil Chhetri and I am currently pursuing for BA English in Icfai University. I don't have any hobbies at all.
आपका नाम क्या बोला था?
Sahil Chhetri.
आप नेपाली हो क्या?
हाँ।
कस्ता छ?
राम्रा छु।
ठीक है। बताइए आपके बारे में कुछ बताइए।
क्या बताऊँ मैं?
ठीक है, आप नेपाली लोगों के बारे में कुछ बताइए।
हाँ, नेपाली लोग, मेरे को नेपाली लोगों का ट्रेडिशन पसंद है और फिर लैंग्वेज भी अच्छा ही है। नहीं।
ओके साहिल, आपको डांस करना आता है?
हाँ, नहीं आता मेरे को।
साहिल,
यस सर।
आप क्या पसंद करते हो जब when you are alone? आप क्या करना चाहते हो, पसंद करते हो?
मैं गाना सुनना चाहता हूँ या फिर कोई बुक पढ़ना चाहता हूँ या फिर अकेले अकेले खेलना चाहता हूँ।
किसका गाना?
हाँ,
कौन सा गाना है, किसका गाना है?
मैं ज़्यादातर इंग्लिश सॉन्ग से सुनता हूँ
Okay.
और ब्रूनो मार्स का सुनता हूँ गाना मैं।
बादल बरसों नहीं सुनता क्या?
वो पसंद नहीं है मेरे को।
ओके, थैंक यू।
यस सर, थैंक यू सर।
वो नेपाली का एक फेमस एक्टर के नाम बताइए थोड़ा।
हाँ सर।
नेपाल से कोई फेमस एक्टर के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए।
नेपाल से फेमस एक्टर अनमोल केसी।
और आप गुरखा बस्ती में रहते हैं क्या?
नहीं नहीं, मेरा घर नेपाली बस्ती है।
अच्छा, वो नंदनगर साइड।
हाँ हाँ।
ओह अच्छा, ठीक है, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सर।
Good morning to everyone. Myself, Ilyakim Sangma. I'm from Meghalaya, Shillong, and I did my schooling in Auxilium Girls School, and I'm pursuing BS Psychologist. And my hobbies is like traveling, explore new sports sometimes, and do skate sometimes. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, you said you're from Shillong, right? So what's the difference between Shillong and Agartala?
Huh?
What is the difference between, I mean, in your point of view? You don't have to say the exact definition. I just want your point of view. For how do you see Agartala different from Shillong?
I will say that Shillong is good in views, but Tripura is more developed than Shillong's. I can say that. Yeah.
But Shillong have discipline, is it?
Yeah.
Shillong have lots of discipline, parking discipline, driving discipline, but in Tripura, it's not.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Okay,
you.
wait. Your name is Ilya, right?
Ilyakim.
Okay. So, why you choose Tripura to study?
For education, Tripura is best for me.
Okay, thank you so much.
Next.
Good afternoon to everyone. Respected judges, seniors, and all my dear mates. My name is Mothuram Riang, and I currently passed out my class 12 from St. Andrew Higher Secondary School, and now I'm currently pursuing my BBA in the Icfai universities. My hobbies are like playing mobile games, cooking, and playing volleyball. My end in life is to be a businessman. Thank you.
Okay, you said your name is Motoram Riang.
Mothuram Riang, yes.
So I'm sure you're aware of your culture.
Sorry?
I'm sure you're aware of your culture, so to say.
Yes.
So you know about Hosagiri, right?
Yes, yes.
So we all know Hosagiri is around the corner. It's happening very
Riang
soon.
community.
Yes. So can you tell us something, or can you educate us something about Hosagiri?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to say is that Hosagiri, its main festival is, Hosagiri is mainly celebrated, it's not mainly, it's organized by the Riang tribe, means Riang community. So in there we can see that it's program, like we can see the various Riang culture things and all that. Thank you.
Okay, Mothuram Riang, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you want to be a businessman?
Yes.
So what kind of business you want to do?
I want to set up the retail store in my district, Ambassa. There is no any retail store, so I want to set up.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, judges. My name is DEBBARMA, and currently I'm pursuing BA English Honors.
What's your name?
DEBBARMA.
What's your hobby?
My hobbies are I like reading books.
You said art, so there must be more hobbies.
Yeah, I like watching movies as well.
So what's your favorite movie?
I can't think of anything right now.
Okay. What was the last movie you have watched? Last movie you watched?
I think it was
Jawan.
Lutera.
So, what do you like most about the film Lutera?
I like the aesthetics, the visuals, the story.
Thank you.
लुटेरे का मीनिंग क्या होता है?
Means thief.
ठीक है, thank you. Next.
Good afternoon to one and all. Myself Bidantoria, and I have passed my higher secondary from Holy Spirit School Vilunja, and I am pursuing the course BBA. Thank you.
Okay, so why you choose BBA?
To earn money and to do business.
What kind of business?
I would like to open a company.
What kind of company?
It will be like management of buying new software and models, accessories, etc.
Okay. Nini introduction. Nin mutam sikamo?
Bidan Riang.
Nang kisa Riang by Nini introduction.
Ani mukhe Bidan Riang. Angke South Tripurani district. Ani para ke Lakshmi Sora.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone, and the respected judges. First of all, I would like to thank to my seniors for inviting us here and for giving this opportunity. My name is Hepirong Riang. I am from Dalai Tripura. I completed my class 12 in Netaji English Medium School, Kailasar. Currently, I am pursuing my BSc Chemistry in this Icfai University, Tripura. My aim in life is professor. My hobby is watching motivational videos, cooking.
Okay, I have a question. You said you want to be a motivational speaker. It is a very much needed profession these days, actually. Supposing, for example, I'm going through a very bad time. Suppose I had a breakup, okay? Let me go it very easy. I had a breakup and I'm going to commit a suicide, okay? For example. So how would you motivate me to not commit suicide or to be a better person or to think positive?
Breakup does not mean it is the end of life. There is a various way that we can start out. We can enjoy with friends, we can watch the various motivational videos. And then sometimes we spend time with families and talking to our friends who are close to us, whom we can share throughout our life what is going on without any fear.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Hippiroya. Whose motivational video you mostly watch?
Priyanka Chopra.
Thank you so much.
Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. Before I'm going to introduce myself, I would like to say all of you that I won't be able to say much because this is my first time on stage and I'm feeling nervous.
Relax. Kokborok Song.
No, I cannot understand Kokborok.
Oh, what's your name?
Oh, my name is Philip Singer and I'm from North Tripura. Currently, I'm pursuing.
No. What's your name? Say it clearly and slowly.
My name is Sudeep Singer.
Deep Sinha.
Yeah.
Manipuri.
So what's your hobbies?
Actually, I don't have any hobbies, but I like to play football and sleeping.
That's your hobby.
Maybe.
So say something about Manipur.
What?
Say something about Manipur.
Football.
Manipur.
Manipuri.
Yeah. There is one famous dance where all together we just hold our hands and then circularly we dance. What's that called?
I don't have.
Thobal.
I don't have any idea about that.
Okay, I want to know, in your Mite or Mite, right?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you say I love you in Mite?
I nang on si.
I love you too.
Okay, thank you so much.
Wait. What do you mean by Nupi Phajai?
Kari?
Nupi Phajai?
Nupi Phajai.
Nupi Phajai.
Nupi Phajai. That means Nupi Phajai.
Beautiful girls.
What?
Beautiful girls.
Beautiful girl. Yeah, it's Nupi Phajai.
Yeah, so. Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Payal Marak. I'm from AGARTALA, Tripura. I'm currently pursuing BSc in Cardiac Care Technology in Icfai University. And my hobbies are modeling and exploring new places.
Wow, finally. So
And nice to meet you, Ma'am Elizabeth and Sir Adong, as this is my first time seeing you both so close, and
I hope we don't disappoint you in real.
Do you want to take a selfie with them?
Yeah, later.
Okay.
So I'd like to ask, what is the difference between fashion and pageant?
Fashion, it's like we have to represent the clothes mostly, maybe, yeah, and poker face with it, because we just want to explore the we have to represent the clothes mainly, so that's why the face is not the main.
And
pageant, it's the individual one. We have to represent ourselves in individually. That's why we need to interact with the audience mostly.
So which one you want to go for, fashion or pageant?
Both. Can I say both?
Okay. So can we have a rain walk, please?
Music.
It will be my first time.
Okay.
You'll nail it.
Wait. We'll play music.
That's a beautiful one.
Thank you.
Hope to see you in any pageants or fashion show in the upcoming. Thank you so much.
First of all, Dr. Dibor Gaham, Ani Mungka, Agas Debbarma, Ani Parangaga, Zania, and Antabo, Icfai University, paramedical laboratory.
Akas, any hobbies?
Any hobbies in the playing football.
So, football lebih singon and someone follow kai as your inspiration.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
And why?
I'm going to say that physics of the ball, tall mark of the Sadota.
Bini signature move kita kai from this one.
Okay, Akas, inside among Ronaldo Kwtal Ballon d'Or ang kaya.
Maximum 상황을 아서 무조 그래 해보나 pasta mucho gracias.
Okay, thank you so much, Akas.
Good morning, everyone. My name is DEBBARMA, and I am from Monpur. Now I am taking here paramedical in DT course.
Okay, so what's your hobbies?
My hobbies is I'm kitchen queen and taking care of family and WW.
So, please elaborate. What do you mean by WW?
I'm dollar by swimming WW.
Dollar by tamo sa WW cry.
College di jatuh beri orang panci tambah di WW cry jangan nolak kan.
So, is nung to saka WW. So, WW naik double, WWE.
WW can I have no horror dollar by swimming fun kayo.
Okay, thank you so much.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bumungka Johnson DEBBARMA. Ang ambasani. Currently, ang Icfai University ani BA English kai tongo. Ani hobbies nga kerambot thungna by watching cricket.
Nini mo tam mo?
Johnson DEBBARMA.
Ningze black color shirt cuma mani. Tam de bagi black color shirt cuma gitu.
Anti mi dance kayo.
Oh dance kayak ya. अच्छा. Okay, nunggu dance kayak itu ham jago.
Mane just for entertain purpose.
Okay, kisah, neng kisah dialog call funu damano.
Tahu mangla dance na idara.
Mana kita diga song kita.
Just few steps. Music please. Okay, thank you so much, Johnson. Next.
Hello, myself.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, judges. My name is Victoria Zamatia, and I'm from. My name is Victoria Zamatia, and I'm from Telamura. I completed my 10th standard in Yakli Academy and 12th standard in Montfort Higher Secondary School, Champaknagar. And now I'm currently pursuing my BSc Chemistry in Icfai University. My hobbies are reading books and watching dramas.
What kind of drama?
Korean drama.
K-drama.
What is the latest Korean drama you have watched? What was the latest Korean drama you have watched? So what is the main thing you love about the drama? Is it inspiring, or do you learn anything from the drama? Or you just watch for entertainment?
I just watch.
Entertainment. Okay, what are your hobbies you say other than watching drama? Reading.
Reading books like novels, comics.
So who is your favorite novelist?
Currently now, I cannot think of any.
So what is the novel you are reading right now? At least tell me that.
Currently, now I'm not reading.
Thank you.
Dipor kaham jotono no an bumongkai Sagar Debarma tai angoro Icfai University wo BBA khai tongo.
So Sagar ni hobbies?
An hobbies okai haipano krai haipano the time pass khai na khai no film rong nayo tai game rong thongo ta mobile game.
So nantang BBA choose kaya?
BBA choose kemang ngakai ang business rong khai mo thongo ta.
Betul business apa?
Lai desa pana business tak to ase chong jaya ko ke je pote teh chong jang nai ta.
Okay, so purte teh song jang nai. So liabilities by assets difference tabo.
Asset ngang ke je nin ya go tong mani te je neng income khai ma ro am ti ro ta te liabilities ke je neng loan na ma ro te je neng bunyo di ma ro am ti ro kata.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, judges and my dear seniors and classmates. My name is Rwmani. I am from Kwtal. I passed out 12 from Netaji Vidyapith. I am pursuing BBA LLB in Icfai University.
Ming kari na? Ming kari na?
Rwmani.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is painting, but I also love playing games.
So say something about Manipuris.
Manipuri.
Let them know. Many more people don't know. Me also.
So I am Mite actually. I am Mite, and so
Say about culture, then puja and all. Lordships and all. Do you know Puthiva Mandir? Oh, okay. There is a Puthiva Mandir in Abhay. So every year there is a lordship of Puthiva Mandir. From Manipur also many people came from lordship today. Thank you. Next.
Ang khongnong ning tongnai ang Icfai BTech Electronic Communication Engineering khai tongo tai ani hobbies ng ke chess research asna
Scientist बनोगे आप तो Chess the Kwtal World Champion है ना इंडिया ने भी नमुता मुझे कहो
Ding Lawrence
बोलो सा कमी
Tamil Nadu
नंगे chess बसक level होता है मना है ना दो लोग होते हैं ना कि सालसा competition लोग थांग नहीं होते
sir actually ang school wasal mak ko but je national trainer bonang tani training rekha
अच्छा नंग training सिखायो उन्हें तो coach नंगे अच्छा आनो फरंग दबानो
of course sir
अच्छा so नंग बो try खादी so थाना ने chess ताखादी नंग बो कारण जिनी ओजागान जिबी chess player रोग सन खूब कम नमुक जागो so आप रोग नो English खाने बगे चिल try खाई तो बो नॉर बो नॉन्ग दिवस सुबह सुनांग नहीं नंग जे तो coach नंगे संग नंग बाय बकर में हम बाय
thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected judges, my seniors, and my all dear mates. My name is Chakma. I have completed my 12th from St. Paul's School, AGARTALA. Now I am currently pursuing BTech Civil Engineering in Icfai University.
Okay, one thing I've been watching you since you went there, and it really catches my eye. That is your bag. Why are you carrying your bag? Is there anything very valuable inside?
I have my mobile phone inside my bag.
Okay, thank you. And what are your hobbies?
To be honest, I don't have any hobby.
The next question.
Rupa Patuturu. हाँ तो चकमा का एक फेवरेट डिश आपका कौन सा है बताइए
बेम्बू सूट
नहीं, बेम्बू शूट तो ठीक है, लेकिन उससे क्या बनाते हैं चकमा लोग, वो बताइए। डिश एक अच्छा वाला जो आपको सबसे पसंद हो।
बाचुरी बेम्बू सूट हो।
हाँ, मुझे भी पसंद है। थैंक यू।
Okay, Tirupa, right?
Sirupa.
Okay. So tell me about Bizu.
Bisu is a festival of Chakma community.
What kind of festival? Okay, thank you. Next.
Hello, good evening, ma'am, sir, and all my seniors who's present here. Myself, Mungtangariang. I'm from Kanchanpur, North Tripura, and currently I'm pursuing BBA from Icfai University, and my hobbies is playing football.
Okay, you said you're from Kanchanpur, right?
Yes.
Not Tripura.
Yes.
So there is one of the very famous tourist attractive place, that is Jambui Hill. Okay? So can you tell us about Jambui Hill, or why should we go there?
It's a very cool place, first of all, and very clean, and there's a clean village. I'm on the Tripura. That's awesome.
There is a highest peak in Tripura. What is that?
Pardon me, sir?
There is a highest peak in Tripura.
That's in
Battling Ship.
Champoi.
No. There's nearby. There's a Jambui Hill. There is a one highest peak, which is counted in highest peak in Tripura.
Sir, I don't have any idea.
Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sweetie Mok, and I am currently pursuing BA LLB, and I am from AGARTALA.
What's your hobbies?
Actually, I don't have hobbies, but when I get free time, I love to listen to songs.
What songs do you listen to?
Arijit Singh.
Arijit Singh. So what is your favorite song sung by Arijit Singh?
पल पल दिल के पास.
Which song? Can you please? You cannot sing? I think Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas is not Arijit's song.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mungka Rijasriyang, and I'm Santriwada South Tripura, and I'm BBA, Icfai BBA, Nai Pori Dong, and I'm hobbies wrong, I'm football, I'm traveling. Thank you.
Nini name?
Rijasriyang.
Recharge the.
Yes, Richas.
Mobile recharge kaya mahal.
Oh yes, sir. RICHASH.
Ngomong ni mung ni meaning ta musuh lagi saya mana?
Means kisah bunyi by different.
Amun sadi different tu saya meaning ta mau. Ni parents orang nungsing ada mana mung ni meaning ta mau.
Ako no babu sao ta meanings to amne ang usung sa gaya hai no babu sao iko. Mane bunyi by different ka tong namu sumja uga.
Acha. So ni bawa no different ke tong namu sumon ni.
Mane name ta name.
Oh acha.
Means bunyi by same to same onek jan ngi atu class culture hoga. Ke para culture hoga ya utte hai same.
Oh mana amun ni kono asal meaning lo najar liya kali budai alada ke tong acha hambai.
Okay, that's real. As little ni bawa so like we were different kind of bani am teke move farka. So no kisa dialogue of look ke chare. Music please.
Kisah Bruni sir.
Hey, okay, Bruce song. Bogan
means kisah iko traditional song.
Oh, traditional songs. Gane mo, sahiri di.
Toti rumah ini kaisa tau?
Oke, toti rumah.
Andra tau kau ini kaisa dibikin?
Ini lah, ini bos itu serama ini aja. Oh, ini mari kita mau kaji. Nasi dakan. Amderesan. Amderesan. Amderesan mau beef karma hero. Burasa karma hai.
Easy zat rasa menglopan diri sini. Bawa sama ni an mobile tongkan mobile tam sini ada. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Mics, please.
Good morning everyone. I'm Icfai Tiprasa. Ang tau por itongo paramedical female team. Ani hobbies singing and dancing. Take drama naida.
Tanggi nono ni parents rock samani ini mengharta.
Belai kok sauli.
But I don't think nono mengharta tanang kok sana sedang yakuna. So samani ni nung belai kok sauli mengharuna. Okay.
Saman ini meaning tamu saman ini meaning.
Iko kabu angkok saya pemaninge punya saya kenal mani.
Oh, mana you were blabbering as a child. Atida. Nang cara ko you were blabbering mana kok saya man bla kati atida sama ni pa.
Iya atira.
Okay. So your hobbies are singing and
dancing.
Can you please sing a few lines of your favorite song? Any song. Kokborok Song hari ini.
Singgah aja kalau mau berani.
Nunggu singgah dari sama kantor jangan pasti.
Jotoni.
DEBBARMA angkai college ne angtak BBNI pori tamo Icfai University wa ani hobbies kai traveling and playing online games.
So again same question. Tanggi bibi na kan?
Business hanya bagus.
Betul business.
Or ko tabuk cini Tiprasa to mane like small mart rokuri do beshi kan ani chang ka ang small mart kaja khulona nije ni to bajta.
Okay.
Next.
Punga hamza tono no. Ani bumong ke Raima DEBBARMA. Ang gagal bulaga kini. Gani hobbies rock ga cooking, they indoor games, they asam.
Ini hobbies tamu indoor games. Indoor games tam
Ludo, chess, apa tu?
ঠিক আছে Nemo jadi kene kan tomoni. Ori kene nyebut hai ni mudam sai teman.
Sana.
Ako, tambay. Next.
My name is Vishnu Shah. I'm doing BBS at Icfai University and I've completed my schooling from Senado High School from Ambassa.
What's your full name? Vishnu?
Vishnu Shah.
Shah.
Yeah.
What's your hobbies?
Coming to my hobbies, playing football and dancing.
Only playing football.
And dancing.
So, what do you wear? What is called?
Sorry?
The coat. What you wear? The coat. What is called in your tribe or in your language?
In our own language.
Yeah. Say.
I don't know what is called in our mother tongue.
Oh my God. So you please ask, and let it know. Thank you. Next.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon to all. Myself, Icfai DEBBARMA from BALLB. I have done my schooling from Montfort High Secondary School and I am from Khumlung.
So what's your hobbies?
Actually, I don't have hobby, but whenever I used to be free, I used to talk with my best friend.
사부님 best friend ki samo?
Hanok,
Otto tongro ni namak ek college porlai.
bo Alcazar,
Boke pori.
bo NIT.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে আমরা next.
Good afternoon everyone, respected our judges and our beloved seniors. Myself Vinod Kumar Yang and I'm from Kantanpur. I completed my schooling from Eklavya Model Residential School Kumarghat. Currently I'm pursuing BBA from Icfai University. And my hobbies are singing and scrolling Insta.
Okay, you're the last young man standing there.
Yes.
And of course the male participant, a fresher. So I have a question for you. You said you love singing, right? You love singing.
Yes.
So I'm sure you must be aware of music happening in our state. Okay? So answer me very simply. You don't have to think very much. Just click in your head, you can just answer. Okay? Just take it easy. What is your view on the present music scenario compared to the old music scenario? Means in the older generation. In Tripura.
I'll speak with Kokborok.
Okay, no problem.
Tabung ni gan ke tang sanai. Agini haike gan tabung ni gan ke kena thogli. Agini ke meaningful gan dok promoter kena thog agini gan ke.
Okay, so nung saka nini hobbies of Insta scroll kai kari kani. Na Insta scroll kai tam nai.
Motivation dong nayo, memes dong nayo.
Bahaya motivation.
Motivation like mane life nijeni career no bahai ke obo khaine achieve khaine ate rok nai uta.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Respected judges, my senior and my dear friends, a very good afternoon to you all. Myself, Eliza DEBBARMA, I'm from Ambassa and I have completed my class 12 in Montfort Higher Secondary School and I'm currently pursuing in GNM Nursing. And my hobbies is to dance.
I think we are all bored here, like we've been sitting for quite some time. So can you please entertain us with your dance?
Yes, sure.
Music, please.
Thank you. You're such a good dancer. Next.
I, BISWANATH DEBBARMA. I am from Kumulong, district Kumulong. I passed out
Your name?
BISWANATH DEBBARMA.
Thế sao đi nhìn xin được bố?
My name is BISWANATH DEBBARMA. I am from district Kumulong. I passed out from Monfort High Secondary School. It's located in Champanagar. And my hobby is to dance.
All are dancers.
We would love to see your dance also. So, can you have music, please?
Kita mau sajang na kalau dia asal romantik atau tak salah
Okay, thank you so much. Next.
Respected judges and seniors and to all my dear friends, myself Ria Debroma and I am from Law Department. I have started my schooling from Monfort High Secondary School, Champanagar, and my village is Patni.
Your hobbies?
My hope, I don't have any hobbies.
What do you love to do in your free time?
I love to watch, listen music.
So what kind of music? Emotional or romantic or inspirational?
Inspirational.
Inspirational music. So can you tell me the song name?
I cannot remember.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Sadakaham, Jodet and Dotoma. Ani muke Thailand Syria. Ani parake Kokborok Song Tripura. Ke ani department ke BPS.
Kamu department?
BPS.
Kamu di full kamu?
Bachelor of Physical Education.
Physical Education. Nung oze malakan itu mana ni? Kamu nak tambah aja?
Bono ke Chandrahar.
Chandrahar. Kamu tu Chandrahar, kamu tu nak kuun ni tu nanti. Kamu nak tu Chandrahar ini mana kuun, nak tu Chandrahar ini nanti.
Bono nak Chandrahar.
Oh, अच्छा है. तो tam sini beri lo, agi traditional sini kancan lo tam tu mukul tu saya mana? Kuning ya saya. Oh, thank you. Next.
Good afternoon, everyone, dear judges and all the peoples. My name is Purnima Debbarma. I'm from Law Department, pursuing BLLB honors, and my hobbies are to listen to music.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Megha Debbarma.
Okay, your name is Purnima Debbarma, right?
Yes.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are to listen to music and watching dramas.
Okay, I will talk about music again. So, what kind of music do you love to listen to?
K-pop.
K-pop. K-pop, which is your favorite band among the K-pop stars?
Songs or group?
Group or songs or anything band?
I love many groups, but specifically I like BTS and Blackpink.
Okay, Blackpink. Blackpink, can you sing one song sung by Blackpink?
I don't think so I can sing. I feel shy.
The flower song?
No.
No? Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Next.
Good evening, everyone. Myself Megha Debbarma. I'm pursuing BLLB. I did my schooling in St. Andrew's School. My hobbies are listening music, painting, cooking.
What's your name?
Mega DEBBARMA.
What's your hobbies?
Listening music, painting, cooking.
Cooking. So, what do you cook mostly? Nang tamno mane besibag song mane.
Almost everything, but I like to cook gudok.
Gudok. So gudogo tamtamori and bahake khai gudok.
Most of them aloo, like kurang vegetables.
Okay. Thank you. Next.
Di barka hamza to no, barang gram judges, tay barang gram baida song no. Ani bumung, Lisa DEBBARMA, ani parang kay tuido, ani hobbies rock, designing kay mani, guitar drawing, dancing, singing.
So you know hobbies design. What do you design about?
Design mane clothes design rock.
So fashion designing. Okay. So like in future then quarter fashion designer then namuju. Okay.
Next.
Di barka hamza to no. Dara tay bai suno tay sini charges suno jala kam ke suno time roi tay suno kam ke welcome khai man bagai. Ani mungkha Lisa DEBBARMA, ani kaming kha Khumlung park ni opposite side layuta. Ang ani sraini simi class 10 jara monfort porikha tarpore 11 by 12 hingke Khumphoi academic school of Haikya. After 12 I joined in Icfai University. Tahu ani course hingka BPS. Ani hobbies hingke muishangnani tai dolog bai gobranani. Tai isa dolog bai gurinani tai saran thulani isma hambai.
So what's the full form of BPS?
Bachelor of Physical Education and Sports.
So what's the importance of physical education in our life? Physical education. Amansini life opposite importance. What is the importance of physical education in our life? In life of
physical education in life of belakana nangko tan ningke animote hingke tame animote hingke sung joto borong no kaisa ba kaisa mane joto jagon involve hongai tongo sini samong basung o course mai porikha bo kaham ningke animote hingke ang to bisi porna no bo bisi en talent no kere hingke ang obosois khai ka ang obosois khai ka an bagai kaham tai joton bagai kaham tai joton bagai kaham ta tai sini sung bisi kedeng ma mane thangai tongnani sini life hingke sung maintain tongna nango sini life na ba sini physical body no sung baike amo mane
Okay, thank you so much.